welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share you and guide you how you can run your n8n in the production, or you can serve this for free to the other users, or you can share this your own versions of n8n that you have created and give the link to the other so that other people can also access your n8n for free. Okay, without any deployment charges or anything. I am just going to guide you what you can do this year. So I have started this channel and guide you how you can use n8n for the business automation. And the major reason I am telling you, because most of us, we don't want to pay the upfront payment, that is €20 or $20 per month, and we just don't want to utilize any kind of the deployment service because we are not so much technical. So I'm just going to guide you how you can do this and deploy your n8n that you had run locally and give it in a production line. So here is the thing. To deploy the n8n for free, you have two options. One is to use your local machine, and another option is to use any hosting platforms that are already giving the free versions of them. Okay, so get started with first one. So we have two options. One is ngrok and another is Localtunnel. Okay, and both are platforms giving the free versions. Localtunnel is completely free. ngrok have their premium pricing, but you can also access something for free. Okay, both can get the work done. The second thing is we have the other platforms that are also giving the free trials or tiers to utilize their platform and start working for free without giving any upfront payments. Okay, so firstly we have the Versal or Netlify. They are very good for the Next.js and the front end platforms, but not very good for the back end infrastructure such as the n8n that is providing. Okay, Heroku was the best one, but now they are not giving the free trial anymore. Railway is also good, but they start with the $5 basic plan. Another is AWS. AWS is something that is very good to start with. They are giving the 1 year free tier for using your basic EC2 instances. But as we are not so much technical, it is very hard to set up and run your own n8n into the AWS. And that is going to take you a lot of issues and efforts to get started. And you need a technical person for it. The last one I have chosen, this is the Render, which is render.com. You can visit this website also. This is a very cool and the best platform that you can use to get started and put your platform in production. So in this video, I cannot cover the whole thing, but I'm going to start with the first one, that is going to use the local machine and the ngrok for the or the Localtunnel. Okay, so let's get started. So let us start with the terminal. So in the last video we have understood like how we can start n8n in the local environment, and for now I'm just going to type npx and n8n, and it's going to run the n8n in my local machine. And for accessing this, I can go to this URL. You can copy this URL, copy this, or either you can also press the O button in the keyboard, and it will open the same thing in the browser. So I'm going to type this and open this URL. You can see this is my workflow that I have created in the last video, and this is something is accessible only in my computer. If I just go here and press Ctrl C to close this running in a server, or you can say running process in my command line, I am not able to access this website anymore. That means this is something running in my local machine. And if you try to access this in your machine with the localhost, you are not able to do so because this is running in my computer. For running in your computer, you have to go with the last steps that I've shared in the last previous video. Okay, so I'm going to start this npm command line for running the n8n, and you can see this environment has been started, and now I can access my n8n in my machine. Okay, what if I have to share this to the person or someone, or I have to access in my other computer or my phone, or maybe I can give to my friend who can also work with me in the same agent? What I can do? So I am going to start with the two options. One is the ngrok, that is also giving the free version for the development purposes, and there is another very simple thing and the open source Localtunnel, which is going to give you the very basic thing to get started. So I'm going to use the Localtunnel because it's very easy and very easy to use and get started. So what you have to do is you have to copy this command And as you see, you have already one terminal is running. You do not have to close this. You have to just start or create a new window or tab in the same cell. So I'm going to start a new window. You can see this is process is running, and I am just going to paste this command. So what is the command? npm -g. So you can see npm install firstly. This is going to install the dependency and call -g, and we have to type the name of this. This is the local tunnel. Okay, so I am going to type the local. You can also copy and paste this tunnel and hit enter. This is going to install the local tunnel in my PC. Now what I have to do, I have to put the run another command to make this live. So this is the source. It's simple. So lt, that means local tunnel, and dash port, and you have to put the local port, that is for us is 5678. The port name is here, like 5678. This is the port name. So you have to just type the port name whatever you have in your machine. So I am going to 5678 and hit enter. You can see this is going to give me a very simple URL, which I can copy this from here and open it from a server. You can see like here. And now it's asking for me the tunnel password. Tunnel password is something that is the IP of your local computer. So what you have to do, you have to run this command, or you have to go to this URL. You can either go with any. So you just copy this IP address and put it here and hit submit. And you can also share this IP address with other friends so that they can access it locally in their own PC without installing the n8n or something. Okay. So you can see here, this is now n8n is ready to use. I have to just log in with my credential that I have used for my local machine. And you can see here, if I, for testing, this is working. This is something that is running from my PC. So I'm just going to close this. Right now you can check this. Firstly, you can see this is n8n work. The main problem with the local tunnel and using this kind of platform, when you just close this process of running your local tunnel or ngrok, when you restart this in the free versions, they are going to give you the new domain name. So every time you can see here, you're just clicking this, it's giving you the new domain names. And this is something frustrating for a while, because this is good for the development purposes, sharing with friend, working in the collaboration, but this is not good for the client. But if you just wanted to give for some client who is in the meeting, who just want to experience something, this is something is worth useful. But it's not for the production purposes. For the production purposes, local machine is good, but it's not very good. You have to spend some amount and purchase few, you can say, the production ready in servers, or you can say the deployment facilities where you can put your n8n and run it for free. You can also use the hostinger and purchase your virtual processing capability, virtual processors, which helps you to run your n8n there. So in this video, I have shown you like how you can start this and serve with the people with n8n. But in the next upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can host using the render, and it is very easy to go with. So I'm going to guide you how you can deploy for free in the render also. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And I've just posted few videos in last 2 days, and people loved it. And I'm very happy and excited to share more in knowledge that I have in business automation, AI, and the n8n. And hope to see you again. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. It gives me a lot of confidence to build more video faster. And thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye, take care, see you again in next video.